guys, I hope you're having a great day. So today's gonna be a very interesting day. I'm gonna go on a morning talk show, and after that, I'm gonna do a halftime show for a hockey game. I don't know about tonight though, because I'm gonna be doing my routine on ice. So we'll see how that goes. Guess we'll see. When I left the house, I forgot a jacket, and it's about 20 degrees outside, so. Okay, gotta make a break for it. Oh my god, it's freezing! Open the car. Oh, the car is not much warmer. There's a reason I live in California. We're here on set of Casey Live.
When she starts talking, I'm gonna do that. You're gonna handle that. And then just have to there.
Last year, our next guest amazed America with her contortion routines and incredible accuracy with a bow and arrow.
Joining us is America's Got Talent finalist, Sofie. Dossi, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
So you're self-taught. You're just gonna hang out there. Okay, there you go. Go see Sofie at the Missouri Mavericks game tonight. Thank you so much.
So that was really fun, and I hit the bullseye. Yeah. Okay, I gotta get a jacket now because I'm stealing his, and it's freezing.
There's another barbecue place.
Oh my god, so much smoke, man.
Barbecue. That's
Barbecue. Okay, so I'm like legit, like the best, like of the best, like worst singer in the world. The best, worst singer in the world. Okay, ready?
I thought we paid for singing lessons for you. More wasted money.
So I'm back here at the Mavericks ice hockey arena, and wait, hold on. Before I go into that, you guys didn't see my jacket. It's just absolutely fabulous. I know, right? It's amazing. Anyways, I haven't seen the rink yet, but guess what they gave us in the dressing room? A cute little gift basket with the Mavericks hats and a whole bunch of other treats. So sweet. So we're gonna check out the rink now and see what it looks like. This is the arena. I feel like I'm gonna slip if I just like step on this. Oh no, oh whoa, okay. I gotta do this barefoot too. Pretty awesome. About to go on there tonight. Halftime show. So right now I'm kind of just chilling before showtime, and what are you doing?
Who am I?
Okay, face. So I got my outfit on, my hair done. Now it's time to perform. Lucky Dad. Let's go.
That was her call to do the handstand, not mine.
That was pretty dope. So we're going to the airport right now, and it's a blizzard. Okay guys, like honestly, like this is insane, this weather. Like you like might die. This is like such a big blizzard. Like I'm from California, so like I know blizzards, like I mean like Dairy Queen blizzards, and like this is insane. survived the blizzard. I didn't film anything on the airplane because my camera battery died. Anyways, hope you guys had a great day and thank you for joining me on this trip. Peace out.